Brad Williams, XL prime, percentage change. Here, all we're doing is going B minus C divided by B. So we're taking this supply and the demand, whatever that number is, and we're dividing it by our starting number. No magic there. We'll get a percentage. Clearly, if our supply is only 1433 and our demand is 1688, what's the difference? We are short 17.79%. 1709, 1532. Our demand is less than our supply. 1548, 1502, evenly matched. Here, our supply, we have way too much, sort of like Nike in their tennis shoes lately. Way too much supply and not enough demand, and so on and so forth. Okay, proof? How do we know this is correct? We know we can go B5 minus C5 divided by C5. Or we can go C5 minus B5 minus C5. Or we can go C5 minus B5 minus B5. Or we can do any of these combinations. So how do we know this is correct? C5 divided by 1 minus D5. 1433. Isn't that what we're shooting for? We want to know what percentage difference is there from supply and demand. That's all we're asking. It's 17%. Be sure you ask the correct question. So here again, C5 minus 1 minus D5. We're taking this 1779. What are we doing? We're dividing by, in this case, 117.79%. 1 minus 1779 is 67. I'm sorry. It was negative 67.26. Well, I can't say that for certain because this damn thing is. So 1 minus D5 equals, well, we know 1 minus D5 is going to be, what, 70? Well, there's no way to figure out because as soon as we do this, we'll have a new calculation. 1 minus D5 is going to be, remember I said it was going to be 100 and some odd percent? Well, because we have a negative number. So what we're doing is we're saying C5 divided by 117.74. That's why this number is lower. It has to be a lower number. You take this large number and you divide it by this larger number and you're going to get a smaller number. And that's your proof. If you need any further explanation, I just explained this, but here is the writing. Brad Williams, XL Prime.